So, welcome to Microsoft Unboxed.
I hate it. I hate it.
I know.
Hello world and welcome to Microsoft Unboxed.
I need an opener like that.
What up,
Holla!
bro? That was my favorite.
Welcome to Microsoft Unboxed. I hated that. I did this though. It was like a penguin.
Hello world and welcome to Microsoft Unboxed. Okay. Welcome to an ASMR version of Microsoft.
So every week, Colleen and I will have 2 stories to share with one another. So there's
I'm so tired.
Come on, shake it off. Energy.
Bring the energy. We're talking about the most thrilling
Security.
topic. Security.
Jumping jack.
Ooh, that was too sexy.
Was that sexy? I thought it was funny. My knee is locking. Pop locking.
We're just gonna like, my jaw's tight. We're just gonna like become unboxed. I can feel a little sweat mustache coming on.
What day is it?
All we know is there's an anomaly. I can't say an anomaly.
Anomaly.
AI for. Okay.
That sounded weird.
We have a ton of access to data around how the world works.
You could see it crumbling.
Ooh. One of the things that I'm really excited about this Earth Day is a recent blog post by. What are you doing over
I'm
there?
scratching. He's like, what are you doing over there?
When I'm on a roll and I see something happen.
I will sit on my hands and not. Okay, go.
Did you say that it's tomorrow?
Yeah, I said it was tomorrow.
You can say it's International Women's Day is March 8th. It's a day to. Here, I'll give you some notes.
Which is at the Anita B.
AnitaB.org?
Yeah!
Wow!
She's at the Anita Borg Institute. And now
No.
she's a.
AnitaB.org.
Okay. Now she's at the AnitaB.org Institute.
It's just AnitaB.org.
What? So now she's part of the Anita B and senior innovation. What?
AnitaB.org.
Yeah, I thought I said that the first time. You said no. So April actually now works. Abril. So Abril now actually works at the AnitaB.org company. I said the. So Abril.
This is all going.
So Abril now works at AnitaB.org.
Oh, that is so cool.
Our favorite, yeah, as a senior innovations analyst.
Not to. Let's make-
I'm redder and redder as this episode's gone on.
If you haven't,
I see it. I like it. I want it. What did she say?
I've got it.
I got it.
Apparently I'm not millennial enough to know what forest bathing is.
I'm telling you, you guys are. It is viral. You are all behind the curve.
And I'm wearing heels. Is it a boomerang? What is it? More fingers. Like, pew pew. Come here, your tag is sticking up, which I know doesn't matter, but it bothers me.
So whether you're digging into the data to figure out a way to make your business more sustainable or donating to the tree.
Could have said digging into it, double digging. Do it. Digging into the data, digging into the dirt, or something.
Okay.
Do it. I'm setting you up for success. Colleen, it's our favorite segment of the show. You ready?
Yes.
For
Yes, yes. Outside the box.
Outside the Box.
Our favorite segment of the show that you've forgotten the name of.
And remember to subscribe to our channel. We have new episodes fresh
Hot
out of the
oven.
kitchen. We're always looking for more viewers, so, follow us along for the journey. That was weird.
So thirsty. We're always looking for more viewers.
Yeah, that was so thirsty. And you know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say subscribe. Please do it now. Click the button.
That was thirsty.
That was thirsty. Please subscribe to the show. I know, it was pretty thirsty.
Like so thirsty, you're
Dehydrated. Dude, we're running short on questions in the box, so please make sure to submit some questions.
Thirsty. Don't you want to know about us?
Subscribe.
Come on, people.
Get ready for 12 takes. Oh, you already did it. Okay.
Yeah, we're on.
Sorry.
You're
All right.
on.
All right. Welcome to Microsoft Unboxed.